Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys talkback setting in our Poco phone guys. In this video guys I will show you guys how can you on your talkback in your Poco phone. Guys you want to on guys your talkback in your Poco phone, and guys how can you on and guys how can you use guys your talkback setting in your Poco phone. In this video guys I am going to show you friends. So first of all guys open your phone setting to on your talkback. After on phone setting guys scroll it, and guys you can see guys your phone additional setting. So I tap here, and guys you can see guys this accessibility setting. So I tap here, and guys click on the vision, and guys you can see your talkback. So before on talkback guys, let me tell you one thing guys. The person who is blind and guys they cannot listen properly, guys they are inaudible person, so why they use talkback. And guys how to use like that, see. And guys click on guys your use talkback on from here. So guys talkback will on, and guys like they want to back, so guys they will click on back option, so they can listen this back sound. First of all guys, let me increase volume.
Double tap to activate.
So friends, now
Double
you
tap
can
in
see
mode
guys
to
like
long
they want to
press.
back, so as you can see the
Volume.
back home screen
Home
button
button.
like that, and
System
again double
launcher.
press guys you can use
R.
this setting. So guys they want to call someone, so guys they will click on guys this
Home
dial pad
button.
tone
Into
file
nav.
setting guys you can see. So friends you can use guys your talkback setting to the most. So guys you can say guys, they want to call someone, so they,
Home. Row 11. Column 3.
so guys they can use like
Double tap to
phone double
activate.
tap.
Double tap in mode.
So guys the person who is blind, so guys they use talkback like that guys. So don't use guys talkback guys, it's not safe for you. But guys, so are your friends who have understood how to on talkback and guys how to use. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.